Godfather of the Voyeurs Drill. Shout out my boy, Demi TV.
It's Wave God in this motherfucker. Hey, shout my nigga Demi T though.
Got the song pop like I'm Iggy. All they talking about is last night like I'm Demi. Say you got.
Rupees donated $5. Damn ski pulled the Michael.
I don't even know. They've been doing a little. Yeah, let's see what the. That nigga Demi was like,
What's up, gang? I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but today we trying to hospital food mukbang. I'm at the hospital. You feel me? With my grams. Yeah, I'm not gonna show y'all cause today I'm eating chicken tender and curly fries. You feel me? With the no soda out here. Health is wealth. Yes. I got my sweet and tangy sauce out there, bitch. You feel me? I know I love fries. So I should show you. And I'll share the video. They kind of fries for us, low key. Don't even know about ketchup. Don't smash me. Without the ketchup. It's just good. Or I'm just hungry. Or could be both. Shoot, cause these buzz. Low key better. They some bomb ass curly fries. I really want to go back to the food and get some more. Like shit. I had a test on me though before I leave. This was $5. Taste of lemon will stop your child. So if you want the merch from you see what I'm wearing, just like me, go copy from the website and the prescription box flow. You feel me? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. And support your boy. You feel me? Especially fuck with me, love me, my friend, whatever you want to be. Support your boy. Holiday season here. And a new wardrobe, new clothes anyways. So might as well, you know. And it's anime, all type of junk we got over there, you feel me? Basketball, sport, the real religion, you feel me? And powerful stuff over there. Y'all love, you know? Cause you know over here at DMTV, we gon' make it, you feel me? Make it possible. Because dreams can come true. You put your mind to anything, you're gonna achieve it. You know? So be great. You feel me? You feel me? us.